Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got something really exciting today. Today we're going to be installing the first mod on this 2023 C8 Corvette. Yeah, let's get to it. So this is going to be a Z51 style front lip for the C8 Corvette. This was purchased from Extreme Online Store, and you can find them at extremeonlinestore.com. So this lip comes in 3 separate pieces to form the front lip on the C8 Corvette. So far everything is well packaged and protected. There's multiple layers here. I really like what they did with the packaging. Sometimes when you order car parts online, they get damaged pretty easily. So I really appreciate them taking the time to fully protect this thing. And just to show you guys what type of finish we're going with on this lip, it's actually going to be carbon flash, which matches the rest of the accents on the car. So here it is in carbon flash. Dang it, look at that thing. It looks amazing. This looks so much better than the one that comes from factory. The one from factory actually has this plastic textured black look that just really looks cheap. And so this is actually much cheaper than ordering from the factory, and it looks a lot better. So just to give you guys an example of what I'm talking about is the reason why we get this in carbon flash is to match this. See how they're pretty similar? The textured black would not match this. So now we're just gonna unwrap the rest of this and get started with the install. So we found the nuts and bolts that are needed to put the 3 pieces together. Make sure you check deep in the box. It's like hidden in the very bottom. I was in a rush, totally missed it. Just gonna clean off any dust and debris on here before we start connecting all the pieces. So when you're putting the lip together, make sure to look at the instructions, number 1. Number 2, there is a piece right here that is going to slide into the slot that you see right here, this groove. So you just want to make sure that that goes in there. So then once it's in there, it should look something like this once put together. And here it is from the back side. So then you're gonna put the bolt and nuts through right here to secure the piece together. And once you're done putting the nuts and the bolts on, it should look something like this. It may take a little bit of threading on the holes just because they weren't really fully cleared, so there was some clearance issues. So just poke a screwdriver or something through and just clear up any excess plastic on there. So now that we have the 3 pieces connected together to form the front lip, we're going to need to remove the factory screws from underneath. So there's about 21 of these that need to be removed, and you'll use the original hardware to put on the lip. Once you have all 21 screws out, you're gonna want to get a cloth and just clean up the surface before installing the lip so that the contact is clean and there's no scratching or rubbing occurring. So I've gone ahead and propped up both sides of the lip and screwed in the end points on each side. And now we're gonna get the center piece mounted so that way we have some supporting spots as we go around and finish the rest of the screws. It's looking pretty nice so far. I'm definitely liking this compared to the Z51 factory lip. This finish is just so much better. And there we have it. We are all finished screwing in the new Z51 style front lip for the C8 Corvette in carbon flash. And it fits perfect. There are no gaps, no issues with screwing it into the factory holes. And it is better than the OEM version, in my opinion. Just gonna clean it off a little bit here, make sure everything looks nice. And there you have it. I think it looks great. It's not too aggressive. It sticks out just enough to give it that accent, but not enough to create an issue with clearance. As you can see, it only adds a little bit of extra length there, and ground clearance is looking pretty good.
Go. You're good. You're definitely good. Plenty of room, good.
So we're all done installing the Z51 style front splitter. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time.